This brand is made in Canada by Wolf Steel Limited and is sold through authorized dealers in North America. The CT series models are basic 14 or 16 SEER units with scroll compressors and swept wing fans for quiet operation. With their all-aluminum coil construction, they eliminate the problem of coil refrigerant leaks due to corrosion. They have slotted panels to protect the condenser coil from damage caused by debris from lawn mowing, hail, or other hazards, but they are less effective than louvered panels. These air conditioners use micro-channel construction for a compact unit. The units are pretty quiet with a sound rating that is equivalent to normal conversation, but they only have an average warranty on the compressor as it does not include unit replacement in the event of compressor failure. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.